Good morning. Headlines for today's news bulletin are: two new discoveries provide better understanding of bacterial resistance. Scientists discover new drug for treating Parkinson's disease. Nitric oxide releasing nanoparticles offer viable skin infection treatment. Moving on to the main news now. Two new discoveries provide better understanding of bacterial resistance. Two new discoveries from Edward Hughes Iowa State University Laboratory are adding to the scientific understanding of how bacteria resist antibiotics. Researchers have described two structures and mechanisms, that is, efflux pumps and reinforced cell walls, that certain disease-causing bacteria use to keep the antibiotics away. That understanding could lead to new treatments that disable the structures and restore the effectiveness of drugs. The research group has a long history of successfully using X-ray crystallography to describe and understand the structure of pumps, transporters and regulators in bacteria. With the comprehensive understanding of the structures and mechanisms behind bacterial resistance to antibiotics, the research group is beginning to look at how the pumps and transporters can be turned off. Scientists discover new drug for treating Parkinson's disease. Researchers at Binghamton University have developed a new drug that may limit the progression of Parkinson's disease while providing better symptom relief to potentially hundreds of thousands of people with the disease. The research team employed a preclinical model of Parkinson's disease to compare the effects of the dopamine agonist ropinirole to their new drug known as D512. Results demonstrated that D512 was more efficacious than ropinirole in treating the symptoms of Parkinson's disease while also prolonging the time window in which the animal showed benefits. The researchers also noted that D512 may have fewer side effects than current medications. When patients take anti-Parkinsonian drugs, over time they develop hyperkinetic movements that are hard to control. The researchers are currently at a preclinical phase. Their goal is to understand how D512 actually provides neural protection and therapeutic relief while also looking at different models of Parkinson's disease that will translate into the clinic. Nitric oxide releasing nanoparticles offer viable skin infection treatment. George Washington University researchers have found that topically applied nitric oxide releasing nanoparticles are a viable treatment for deep fungal infections of the skin caused by dermatophytes, for which the current standard of care is treatment with systemic antifungals. Systemic antifungals, while effective, can come with some baggage given the duration of treatment can be lengthy. They are also known for their ability to adversely interact with many commonly used medications such as blood thinners and antihypertensives, or even cause various side effects themselves. Researchers have turned to nitric oxide, which is a natural gaseous immunomodulator with broad spectrum multifaceted antimicrobial activity, and that can be used as the ideal agent for treatment. The next step is to scale up the technology for clinical trial use in several therapeutic areas given the diverse clinical implications of the nitric oxide producing nanoformulation, as well as the platform overall given its unique ability to encapsulate and deliver a broad range of active ingredients. Thank you.